I never thought I'd be putting saddlebags on my Low Rider S, but after playing around with these for a while, I think I might have changed my mind. So in this video, I'll be checking out the Vikingbags Darkin 32-liter saddlebags for the Low Rider S. I'll be giving you guys my thoughts on them, and I'll let you know if there's something I'll end up keeping on my bike. So right away, the first thing I noticed about these bags is they don't feel like a cheap throw-on saddlebag. They got a leather construction, it's got a hard fiberglass shell design, and they keep their shape pretty well. They give you that classic saddlebag look and also help protect whatever it is that you put inside. Cool thing about these saddlebags too is that they lock. So if you're making a stop anywhere during a ride, you know that your stuff is secured. So another cool thing about these saddlebags are the turn signal cutouts. When I first installed them, I thought that I have to worry about relocating my turn signals. But after taking a look at them, installing them, you can see here, they sit pretty close to the frame and they actually look like they're part of the bike. As far as storage capacity goes, these are 32-liter saddlebags. It's a pretty good size for my type of riding. They're not that big that they make your bike look like a bagger, but they give you enough room for all the stuff you actually need. I can fit things like gloves, water bottle, camera accessories. You can see here I've got like a camera bag. Also, it's lined up with a pretty durable material. This side, I was able to store my vest, a microfiber cloth, and there should be a tripod in there somewhere as well. If you're curious to know just how difficult it was in order to install these saddlebags, you'd be surprised to know that it was very, very easy. Vikingbags provides all of the necessary bolts, hardware, everything you need in order to mount it to your bike. As you can see here, there's 2 mounting points to the left and 2 on the other side. These are quick-detach saddlebags. There's 2 mounts here and here. You want to start off mounting it with the smaller one first and then work the larger one in. Alright, so once you have that mounted, inside the saddlebags there's going to be a lock here. You want to press this all the way down until you hear it click. Then there's a little Velcro cover here. You want to cover that up and then you're all set. So obviously every bike is different, and before I installed these I did ask myself whether or not it's going to ruin the look of my bike, but after having it on there, using it, riding around with it, yeah, I definitely feel like it complements my bike really well. So overall, I think that the Vikingbags Darkin 32-liter saddlebags are a great affordable option for somebody looking for more practicality without really taking away from the look of your bike. If you're looking for saddlebags for your bike, go ahead and check out Vikingbags, see what kind of options they have. You definitely won't be disappointed. Besides that, I'm definitely going to be keeping these on my bike. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.